something about the what command line arguments. What is meant by the command line arguments we are going to be send. And here what is meant by the command line arguments. First of all, you need to know what is meant by a command line. Command line means what? Command line means what? uh, uh, what is meant by the command line here means, all of you listen carefully here. Which type of thing we are going to be called it as a command line here? Which type of thing we are going to be called it as a command line? And suppose here I am opening start. Here I have clicked something as start button, and here I am choosing something as what? Start. Here I am opening something as what? Command. Command prompt window. Here I am opening. What is the window I have been opened? Command prompt. And inside this command prompt, what is the things we are going to be done? We are going to execute some statements by using something as what? Commands. Suppose I want to find out the date. Here, what is the command I am using? Here I am using something as what? Date. And here, what is the here I want to see something as time. And for that, to find out in the time means, what is the command I am typing? Here I am typing something as what? Time. And here I am executing means it is showing something as what? Time. And okay, suppose if you want to execute your program inside the command prompt window, whatever the C program is there, the C program we are executing at command line means we are going to be called it as what? Execution at the program is going to be executed at which, where till now you have been executed your programs in which one you have been executed? You have been executed inside the what? Code blocks. You have been executed your programs inside the which block you have been executed here means you have been executed inside the which block? Code block. Now we are going to execute our program inside a block, inside a window called, what is the window we are going to be executed? Inside the which one we are going to be executed here means command prompt window. And here what is the to execute our program at command prompt window, then how we are going to be executed? How we are going to execute? And okay, how we are going to execute here? And till now inside the command line arguments means, what is the statement they have been defined? Command line arguments means what? It is possible to pass some values from the command line to the C program. It is possible to pass some values from the command line to the what? Command line to your what? C programs when they are executed. When they are what? Executed. And while executing the program, if you are passing any values, means those values, those arguments we are going to be called it as what? Those arguments we are going to be called it as what? Command line arguments. Command line arguments here. And here what are the to handle the command line arguments means, what are the two variables we need to be remember inside the program? What is meant by the argc means what? Argc means what? Inside the program, argc is indicated for the what? Argc is referring for the what? Number of arguments passed. How many arguments we are passing, that number is going to be stored inside the which variable? Argc. And inside the argv array pointer, argv array, the arguments which points to the what? Each argument. Suppose we have passed 3 arguments. First argument is going to be stored at 0 index, second argument is going to be stored at 1 index, and third argument is going to be stored at 2 index. And the values are going to be stored inside an array. That array name is what? Argv. That array. Okay, whatever the arguments we are passing at command line, those values are going to be stored inside the what? Argv variable, array variable. And how many number of arguments are there inside the command line? that size is going to be passed. That size is going to be stored inside a variable called what? Argc variable. That size is going to be stored inside a variable called argc. And now practically we are going to see. Okay, practically we are going to see what is meant by the command line arguments here. What is meant by the command line arguments? And here what is the okay, here we have been opened the command prompt. And okay, here we have been opened the command prompt window. And inside the code blocks, here I am executing a program called command line arguments program. Here I am not executing inside the code block. Here I am just being compile inside the which block? Inside the code blocks window. I am going to compile this program. I am just going to compile this program inside the what? Code blocks. Where I am going to execute this program here means here inside the command prompt window, I am going to execute. Inside the command prompt window, I am going to execute. And all of you listen carefully here. And till now, in the previous programs, you have indicated the main method as in which format you have been indicated. Till now, inside the previous programs, you have been indicated the main method as what? Main of you have been indicated. You have not passed any parameters to the what? You have not passed any parameters to the what? Main method. But if you want to execute your program at command line window means what is the how many arguments we need to be passed. If you want to execute our program at command line window means for the main method, what are the two arguments we have been passed? We are going to pass some two arguments as what? One as what? Integer variable size. Size means what? Suppose list of elements are 2. Then what is the size is? Size is what? 2. 2 is a which type of variable? Integer. So we are indicating the size as what? We are indicating the size as what? Int. Argc we are indicating it as what? Int. And inside this variable, what is the thing is going to be stored means size of arguments it is going to be stored. Size of command line arguments it is going to be stored. And inside this, what is the thing it is going to be stored? It is an array. And inside this array, string type variables are going to be stored. String type variables. Suppose X, Y, Z, A, B, C, such type of variables I am indicating. Size I have indicated as 2. X, Y, Z is going to be stored at 0 index position. ABC is going to be stored at 1 index position. And XYZ ABC are nothing but what? All the command line arguments are going to be considered as which format means string format. That's why we have taken it as what? Character array. We have taken it as what? Character pointer array. And here if the number of arguments are double equal to 2 means the argument supplied is okay. The argument supplied is what? It is going to be displayed. If the arguments are greater than 2 means what is the thing it is going to be displayed? It is going to display it as what? Too many arguments supplied. Size is, if the size is equal to 2 means it is going to display the argument supplied at what is the first argument it has been passed. And otherwise more than 2 arguments means it is going to display it as what? Too many arguments has been supplied. Otherwise else 1 argument expected. Else what is the statement it is going to be displayed? Else 1 argument expected. Inside the command line arguments, what is the only statement we need to be remember here means this statement we need to remember. And this first parameter is indicating what? Size of the arguments. And arguments are going to be stored inside this array. Whatever the arguments we are passing, those arguments are going to be stored inside this array. And here I am going to compile. Here I am saving the program. And here I am just compiling. Here I am not executing the program. And here I am compiling the program. Here I have compiled the program here. And all of you listen carefully here. actually where this program is existed. This program is existed in which location? This program is existed inside a location called DC programs, DC programs, and command line arguments, and inside that we have stored the program. And uh, here I'm here I'm copying the here I am copying the what is the thing I am copying here means here I am copying the location here. Here I am just copying this location, and Control C, select this, uh, just mouse pointer, click the mouse pointer inside this address bar and select this, copy this, and okay, and in which drive we are located? D drive, and D colon means it is moved to the which directory? D drive, and change directory means what is the command? CD, and here whatever the directory we have been copied, I am pasting that command directory location, and now here I am going to execute our program. Here here I am going to execute what is the program I am going to be executed here means this program I am going to be executed here. Here I am going to execute this program, and inside the code blocks I am executing, or inside the command block I am executing. Here I am executing inside the what? Command prompt window, and inside the command prompt window I am executing here. And here how we are going to execute here? To execute this program is how we are going to be executed. After compilation, after successful compilation, it is going to create one .exe file, that after successful compilation it is going to create something as what? .exe file. This application is there. This one we are going to be called it as executable file, and here I am copying. Here right click, here I am right clicking, or otherwise what is the program name is there? What is the program name? Program name is what? Here what is the okay, here 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 what is the program name we are having? Here we are having the program name as what? Program name is what? cmd underscore line line underscore args underscore prog1. Okay, here there is no need to type .c. It is a executable file. Just we need to type it as what? Okay, just we need to type it as what? Here we need to type it as what? Command line aux dot. Okay, now after this, what is the here whatever the arguments we want to be passed. Here I'm passing some argument as what? First argument as triple, and second argument as what? Students, triple students, and here I'm executing this program. And now here where I am executing this program, I am executing inside the what? Command prompt. Here I have passed how many arguments? 2 arguments. Actually program name itself is also one argument, and we have passed how many arguments here means 3 arguments. And here what is the thing it is showing? Too many arguments supplied. When this statement is going to be executed, if argument size is what? If argument size is greater than 2 means it is going to display it as what? Too many arguments supplied. Too many arguments we have been supplied. Here I am passing only one argument. If I am passing only triple, then what is the output it is displaying? The argument supplied is what? Argue of 1. 1 means what is the thing it is showing? Triple. Suppose here if I am passing it as argue of 0 inside the program, here I am changing it as what? argue of 0, and here I am compiling the program, compile the current file, and once again here I am executing. Here just I am passing it as what, two arguments are here, only one argument I am passing, and pressing the enter, and you know, what is the output it is going to be displayed. Here I am passing something as only one argument. What is the thing it is displaying here means one argument expected, and why it is not displaying here means argument size is equal to what, 2. Here if I am indicating it as what, 0, if I am indicating it as a 0, and here I am compiling, okay, compiling the program. Here I am compiling the program, and here I am compiled the program. After successful compilation, here I am passing only the, writing only the program name, and here it is going to display it as what, the one argument. Okay, here, okay, one argument, or if argue C, size is equal to 0 means it is not taking it as a, okay, first argument it is not at all being considering, and if I am passing 2, and here I want to display it as what, percentage s, comma, what is the argv of 0, argv of 0, and here I have passed, and build, compile, and here once again we are executing, and okay, here one argument expected. What is the first argument name it is displaying? What is the first argument name it is displaying? Command line org program 1, and the program name itself is going to be treated it as what, 0 index, and whatever the arguments we are passing, those values, here we are 0 index, this one is stored at 0 index, this triple E is going to be stored at 1 index, and the students are going to be stored at what, 2 index, and if I pass it, this means too many arguments expected. This is all about what, command line arguments, and we are having one more program, and inside the other program also, okay, the same logic we are writing here, almost same logic, and how we are going to, okay, just imagine yourself how we are going to execute this command line arguments program is, what is the first statement, first line we need to be remember. For the main method, how many parameters we need to be passed? 2 parameters. First parameter is indicating the size, and size of what, command line arguments, and second parameter is going to store the which arguments, command line arguments it is going to be stored, and where it is going to be compiled and where it is going to be executed. Inside the code blocks window we are going to be compiled, and inside the command prompt window we are going to be executed. So here I am running, here I am just compiling the program, and where we want to run this program means what is the thing we need to be opened to execute the command line arguments program means what is the window we need to be open, what is the window we need to be open, cmd, nothing but what, command prompt window we need to be open, and after opening this, what is the thing we need to be find out it, where this program has actually been saved. This program has actually been saved inside the what, inside the which location it has been saved, C programs, command line arguments in C, and command line arguments underscore program 2 dot what, C. So here what is the, we need to move into the what, D drive, and to change the directory means what is the command we need to be used, cd, and to find out the exact location means just open that location, and here I am opening that location, and copying that location, and inside the command prompt window, here I am pasting, right clicking the mouse and pasting and pressing the enter button, and how we are going to execute this program, how we are going to execute this program here means we need to type it as what? Program name itself. Here we are typing it as what? Program name as what? Command line underscore args underscore prog2 program 2, and here I am mentioning it as what? Hello world. Here I am mentioning it as what? Hello world. And how many arguments we have been passed? 3 arguments. 2 arguments we have been passed, and total number of arguments are what? 3, including the what? Arguments including the what? Program name. Here I am pressing the enter, and if I press the enter button means it is going to display the output. What is the output it is displaying? Program name is what? It is displaying the program name as what? It is displaying the program name as what? This first line argue of 0 means at 0 position what is the thing we are having? Command line arguments, argument prog2, and 2 arguments we have been supplied, that's why it is showing the output as what? Too many arguments is supplied. And if you are executing and passing the arguments at command based means such type of programs we are going to be called it as what? Command line argument based programs. For this, what is the important thing you need to be remember? What is the important statement you need to be remember here means you need to remember something as what is meant by argc and what is meant by argv, and these 2 variables we are going to pass to the which function? These 2 variables we are going to be passed to the what? Main function itself. These 2 variables we are going to be passed to the what? Main function. And this type of this is the scenario which is explaining about the what? Command line arguments. This is the scenario